So, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, this whole course is about creating chatbots. And again, we just learned the bare minimum, the basics of Python, but we're actually going to be trying to attempt to create a small one real quick, so you can see how it works at a really basic level. I hope you'll enjoy this, and please consider subscribing if you do like videos like this. Now, the Echo chatbot. Even with just a little bit of Python knowledge, you can build a small chatbot. In this project, you'll apply your knowledge of variable string concatenation, output, user input to create the Echo chatbot, a chatbot that echoes whatever a user inputs. So first, print out a greeting message for the user, welcoming them to your first chatbot. So we'll go ahead and do greeting equals welcome to my very first chatbot. And we'll simply print out the greeting. Okay, now that you've welcomed the user, explain what they can expect to happen. Okay, we can just print out this chatbot will repeat anything you say. Okay. After saving your code, test the program so far to make sure it's working as it should. To do this, enter the following in the bash terminal. So to run this, we can do Python 3, and then we can do script.python. Can't open file. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Python 3 script.py. Welcome to my very first chatbot. This chatbot will repeat anything you say. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And then asking for input. Now prompt your user to input for something for the program to repeat. Assign the user's response to a new variable called stuff to echo. So we'll do stuff to echo equals input I think we should put it down here. Yeah, inputs, and then we'll put say something for the chatbot to repeat. After saving your code, test out the program. Okay, so we'll do Python 3 script.python. Welcome to my very first chatbot. This chatbot will repeat anything you say. Say something for the chatbot to repeat. Hello. Everything is still working. There are no errors. The program prompts you to error. Yep, perfect. Okay, now print out. Print. You said. Followed by the user input. So stuff to echo plus. Test everything out again, and we'll do Python 3 script.py. Welcome. Say something for the chatbot to echo. Say hello. You said hello. Very nice. Okay, it works. So congratulations on building your very first chatbot and creating the Echo chatbot. You're already implementing some patterns that you'll develop to develop more complex chatbot programs, such as greeting the user, informing that they're interacting with a bot and not a human, instructing that the user on how to interact with the bot, accepting user input, setting up output that is dependent on the user input. Want to expand this further? Try adding more lines of input and output to craft a funny sort of conversation. That is very nice. Love it. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Now, simple, very simple. Anyone can do this, right? And that is just, one of the huge benefits of learning Python. You can create virtually anything. But yeah, I hope you did learn something from this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Consider liking and subscribing if you did enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one.